Assalamu alaikum friends, me Muhammad Akram. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and click on notification. जी फ्रेंड्स, जो आज हम पेपर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं वो असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ASF 2020 पार्ट 2 है इसका। इसमें हमने 50 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हुए हैं। 51 हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल असेंबली? कायदे आज़म। After how many years did Pakistan get her first constitution? 9 years. Which document was firstly drafted to give base to constitution making process? Objective resolution. When the Constitutional Assembly passed the objective resolution? 12th March 1949. When Muhammad Ali Bogra presented Bogra formula in the assembly? October 1953. What is the other name of Muhammad Ali Bogra formula? Constitutional law. First constitution of Pakistan was enforced 23rd March 1956. Who was Prime Minister of Pakistan during enforcement of first constitution? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. What official name was given to Pakistan in 1956 Constitution? Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What age was prescribed for the President in 1956 Constitution? 40 years. What was the name of Imam Bukhari Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu? Muhammad bin Ismail. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had sons 3. What was the relation between Prophet Musa alayhi salam and Prophet Harun alayhi salam? Brothers. In the sacrilegious wars, when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 20 years of age, Quraysh and their allies were led by Harb bin Umayyah. To what prophet Zabur was revealed by Allah? Prophet Daud alayhi salam. To what prophet the Injil was revealed by Allah? Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Which companion of Prophet, peace be upon him, was rewarded with the title of Sword of Allah? Hazrat Khalid bin Walid Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, belongs to family Quraishi. Which companion of Prophet, peace be upon him, was awarded with the title of Lion of Allah? Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The color of the first Islamic flag was white. Person with the following blood group are considered to be the universal recipient? None of these. Which of the following is most elastic? Rubber. Name the common mineral salt present in sweet. Sodium chloride. Sensitive layer of the eye, retina. Diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element, carbon. Dr. Abdul Salam of Pakistan was one of the contributors of the unification of electromagnetic force and weak nuclear force. Which triplet in DNA code for valine? CTT. The number of spark plugs needed in a diesel engine are 0. Which of the following is not a part of Darwinism? Overproduction. Role of biotechnology in the production of food based on none of these. Who proposed the concept all motion is relative? Albert Einstein. Sunlight can reach a depth of how many meters in the ocean? 120. Biggest species of the cat family is leopard. The chemical name of quartz is silicon dioxide. Deuterium differs from hydrogen in having same atomic and different atomic weight. Equator passes through one of these countries. None of these. Atom is made up of how many types of subatomic particles? 3. Vacuum tubes have been replaced by transistors. Light year is associated with distance. Umar Khayyam was a mathematician. An official of ASF can search and arrest a suspect attempting to endanger without warrant. In case military assistant is called, all members at the airport's aerodrome shall function in accordance with the direction of military authority. Officers and members of ASF to be subject to the Pakistan Army Act 1952. The federal government can delegate his power under ASF Act 1975 to Director General ASF. The federal government can delegate all of his power under ASF Act 1952 to the Director General ASF except power to make rules. The Director General can delegate any of his power under ASF Act 1975 to with approval from federal government, any officer or authority subordinate to him. Any order passed by any officer of the ASF which is authorized under the Pakistan Army Act 1952 can be revived by Director General. If a member of ASF deserts, who will be requested to capture deserter? Civil authorities. According to ASF Act 1975, the head of the airport security force shall be appointed by the federal government. When ASF Act 1975 came into effect, it repealed the एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ऑर्डिनेंस 1975। हमारी वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और नेक्स्ट हम जल्द ही अपनी नई